So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfaka bin Salihuddin. I'm the representative of the Group 7. So for this business plan, our team member consisting 10 members, which is Aaron, Adil Ihsan, Abris Julie, Chok Chunjet, Nur Hidayat, Nur Atika Amira, and also one Nur Shafiqa Zamina. So without further ado, I will let Adil Ihsan to continue with the introduction.
Okay, so Overmarkton Enterprise produce homemade coconut cookies and inherit and Overmarkton Enterprise because it focus on producing and selling coconut product based on healthy ingredients. So we decided to create Overmarkton Enterprise as a local business brand for coconut cookies that focus on producing and selling coconut cookies. Next slide. For company background, Overmarkton Enterprise is 100% Malaysian owned. Overmarkton operates a family business that was established in January 2022. The company, which is manufacturing coconut flavor cookies, is based in Sungai Petani, Kedah, Malaysia. The quality of the ingredients and affordable price, it has been developed an entire new lifestyle which is comprised entirely of cookie lovers. So the next slide I will pass to Ainul Mardia.
Okay, history background of the company. From 1994 until 2020, this coconut biscuit business was started in 1994 by Hajah Nuraini Ahmad and her husband. They are both grandparents of Ain Maria in 1994. Hajah Nuraini Ahmad and her husband produce coconut cookies based at their home and sell the product at the school and the home Rendang Kedah. Early the product and packaging with simple sampler we use to sell the opening. Regardless of the look and appearance, the demands for coconut cookies was overwhelming. In 2021, Hajah Nurani Ahmad and her husband had over the business to her granddaughter to continue the legacy of coconut cookies making. In year, Ain Maria has opened and finally moved to the new factory with a modern technology of machine. Okay, our mission, vision and organization logo. Vision is make Overmarkton Enterprise a well-known brand in international with high market value. Our mission is produce high quality food products that are competitive, safe and full market demands. This is our organization logo. Our product tagline is Sekali Nak. I will pass to other team members. This is our owner background. Our owner background name is Ainun Mardia binti Muhammad Rizwan. Mailing address is Lot 2271 Jalan Bukit Raya Bukim, Bukit Raya 06700, Padang, Kedah, Malaysia. This is phone number 012-4455-9699. The email address is ainunmardia@gmail.com. Marital status single. Academic level is degree. Experience sales assistant. Current work and position is CEO. This is our administrative plan. This is our organization chart. Next slide. For the task and responsibility, the Chief Executive Director is Ainul Mardia and the responsibility responsibility is for improving efficiency and increasing department profit while managing the company overall operation. For managing manager is Chok Chun Jet, responsible for set policy and procedure and always revise the objective and mission of the organization. For the financial manager is Wana Shafika Zamrina binti Zamri, responsible for control the organization financial planning and oversee department operation. For the human resource manager is Nur Atika binti Amran, is responsible for conducting performance and wages review and resolving conflict through professional mediation. For the administrative manager is Nur Hidayat, responsible for update and maintain the database with accurate client information and controlling financial expenses. For the QAQC is Nur Atika Amira, responsible for oversee the facility strategy, objective and operation status. For the marketing manager is Zulfaka, responsible for developing, implementing and executing strategic marketing plans. Next, operation manager is Adil Ehsan, responsible to oversee the operation activities at every level of the organization and strategic process and improve to ensure everyone completes their tasks on schedule. For the logistic manager is Everest Julie, responsible for ensuring that the supply chain is efficient and effective through their organization and organized. Last but not least, is graphic design team is the Aaron Agapitus, direct the production and layout of cross department to ensure the project specification are met. Next, I will pass to Everest Julie.
Okay, thank you, Ainun Mardia. For this section, the address for our business headquarters and shop is in Sungai Petani, while the address for business production is located in Pendang, Kedah.
Thank you, Everest. So we use the 4-piece marketing strategy for our product, which is the product, price, place, and promotion. So we have 2 products in particular, which is the original coconut cookies and crispy coconut cookies with chocolate sauce. It is 100% homemade coconut cookies. And for the original coconut cookies, we sell it for 15 ringgit, whereas the average price for traditional cookies is around 18 ringgit to 20 ringgit. So we are like 3 ringgit cheaper than the average price. So for the crispy coconut cookies, we sell it for 18 ringgit. It is the same product, but with the additional chocolate sauce. So we usually and mainly sell this product at home and through online sale. So we also distribute few of our products through agent and also through wholesaler, for instance, Giant, Econsafe, and MyDeal. So for the promotion, the advertisement, sales promotion, brochure, and poster, we use social media focusing on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because these are the highest rating platform that are used nowadays. And next slide.
Okay, I will continue for social media marketing. For our marketing, we use 3 media social platforms, which is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Why we choose this platform? Because Facebook is one of the business page that connect with customer and other key information about our business, product, services, and upcoming events. For Facebook ads and Messenger also are the highly target and effective ways to reach potential customers. For Instagram, why we choose Instagram? Because using Instagram for business can drive brand awareness, boost sales, and build and track audience engagement. And also, it's also an excellent way to find the customer where they are already spending time it can also provide valuable audience insight to use with all the marketing plan strategies. And for the TikTok, TikTok is one of the most important things you can have is exposure. The more exposure you have, the better chance you have on retaining customer and getting the news one. Okay, for the next slide. Okay, for the competitors, we have identified 3 competitors which have the same product with our business, which is Syahrini Food Industry, Baba Amin Enterprise, and also Kopen Maju. For strength for Syahrini Food Industry, Syahrini Food Industry established and it already operates for a long time. And Syahrini Food Industry also is well-known in media social and gaining market throughout Malaysia. And for the weakness, the product market are not well-known and does not have a variety in coconut cookies product. And also the product that Syahrini Food Industry serve is for Baba Amin Enterprise. Their strengths are Baba Amin Enterprise has established for over 4 years in the market of Malaysia, China, and also Indonesia. And for the weakness, the product market are not well known among the community in Malaysia especially. For Kopen Maju, it already operates for a very long time. And also for the weakness, it is not provide any variety of coconut cookies. So for the next slide, I will pass to Chok Chun Jack.
Thank you, Nur Hidayat. So I will continue to my part, which is operational plan. So as we see from the upper left side, this operational layout for the office, while the lower left part is the retail operational layout. For the operational and innovational process for our Maktun cookies, the input we are focusing on is in raw material, machine and equipment, capital and workforce. And then in the transformation process, we focus on product design, product processing plan, QC, QA, which is quality control and quality assurance, production control and maintenance. And the output we strive to achieve is packaging, innovation, client satisfaction, finished product, new demand, and profitability. From the external environment forces, it is affected by current market situation or the economy force in the country that we want to focus on the sales on. And then of course we also need to remember for the continuous improvement so that we can make the coconut cookies even better than the previous. And then what is the reason behind that the product run our more than efficiently? Okay, next slide. Flow chart of the daily activity on producing the coconut. desired shape that is cooling completely before the packaging, and lastly ready for selling and delivery. Okay, so for the final product, it is basically the more simple step, which is you must measure the weight first, mold the dough, cutting mixture accordingly, baking cookies, cooling the coconut cookies, proceed for packaging, and final product, which is redistributed to wholesaler, or we can sell it through online platform. Okay, I shall pass my opportunity to
RM657. So next we move to our operating budget, and the few item and the fixed expenses we spend for a few item, and the total for operation budget is 1,175 ringgit Malaysian. Okay, next. Alright, next for our machinery and equipment. For this, we have around 5 items, and the 5 item is total around 7,408 ringgit Malaysian. And for our material, we have the total around material is 3,139 ringgit 60 cents Malaysian. And the last one, the more we spend money for oven mutton is for our labor, which is we have 3 items for operation worker. We have 8% and management team around 10%, and the last one is logistic worker. So for the labor, we collect around 33,000 ringgit Malaysian. So I will pass to our next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Wan Nur Shafika. So our close up is the purpose of a business plan is to help articulate a strategy for starting any kind of our business. It also provides insight on steps to be taken, resources required for achieving your business goals, and a timeline of anticipated results. In fact, business that has a plan grows 30% faster than those that don't have a business plan. Our company objective is to aim to be one of the biggest traditional Malaysian product manufacturers and try to go for the international market, because most of the Malaysian product that is marketed overseas come back as a huge success. We also believe that our product can compete with a similar product out there with our uniqueness. And lastly, to succeed in business practice, we often requires entrepreneurship and innovation, to taking the opportunity to use social media as our advertising platform to promote our products. This will increase profit, and dreams to open more branches throughout Malaysia to increase the number of buyers every year can be achieved. Oven Makton Enterprise is a company that is always aiming for success in the cookies industry. This business can compete with other businesses with similar standards. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.